Hi, I'm Officer Rick Sanders with the Kennewick Police Department. I've been working with the mobile outreach counselors for about 3 years now. They have been an amazing asset to the Kennewick Police Department. At this point, I don't even know how we could survive without them. They've been a tremendous help. They have so many assets that they bring to the table when we take them out. They ride in our cars with us, so we got them on hand at all times. When anybody's in crisis, we have the ability to have them come out and get them help. Having them alongside us has been a tremendous asset to the Kennewick Police Department. And again, I don't know how we could move on without them. They've just been such great people. They've helped many, many people along the way, whether it's somebody that was in crisis, somebody that was suicidal. Again, they have so many attributes that they bring to the table and help Kennewick Police Department, and they're just amazing.